Hi everyone, and thanks for viewing my video. Today's video is going to show you how to make what I call a salad taco. So here's the deal. I'm not a guy who really likes salads, and what I've found is I don't eat them. So what I've invented, not really invented, but I do like tacos. So I made this thing that I call the salad taco. Super easy to make, and I'm sharing my idea with you, and hopefully you like it as well. So what do you need? First thing is just a burrito-sized flour tortilla. The next thing is some store-bought like chopped salad mix. You can find them at the store anywhere you go. Today I'm using a sweet kale mix. I like kale. You can use anything though, it really doesn't matter. So you got that, and then I also have some spinach, some fresh spinach leaves. So what do? The first thing you do is you take that tortilla, throw it in the microwave for 30 seconds. All right. Boom. 30 seconds. And what I'm also going to use for this is with these salad mixes that you can buy, they always give you a little bit of dressing. So this is one of the dressing containers out of the salad mix. Show you how fast and easy this is. I think you're going to like it. I've been eating this stuff a lot and I love it. One of the salad mixes that I find particularly good is the Southwest chicken salad. You might find that at your local grocery. I like that. It has chicken in. This particular salad isn't going to have any meat in it at all, but clearly you can add any meat that you want. Ham or chicken or turkey or whatever you want to do, it's there. So the tortilla is ready. Out of the microwave it comes. It's kind of toasty. It's just warmed up. It's not too bad. First thing you do is you take the salad dressing, and you know, everybody has their own kind of thing with salad dressing. Some people like a lot, some not so much. Some just like a taste. That's pretty good dressing. That is pretty good dressing, and I'm not a big dressing man. So take that, put on your tortillas, spread it around a little bit. Just like butter, baby. Okay. We're almost done. Next thing, spinach. Take your spinach, however much you like, just lay it out on that tortilla like that. Next item, take your salad. It's all ready to go. Lay your salad on top of the spinach, about that much. Okay. And guess what? You fold it over. You fold it over just like that. And there is what I call your salad taco. Just right into it and away you go. Give it a try, you might like it. It's a two-handed type thing, so I'm going to put it down and I'm going to enjoy that off camera. So thanks so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope things are good and things are going well in your life, and I'll talk to you next time. Mark Man out.